Good morning.
Is
Yeah.
the first time in the Hong Kong Hi-Fi show?
No, I've been here many times. The Hong Kong Hi-Fi show. Pre-COVID was the last time I was here was before COVID started, but I didn't come last year. But I'm so delighted to be back again this year. It's really great to be here. Yeah. We came in March to launch our vintage series, and that was wonderful to be back. But it still felt like it was very new. But this year, the feeling is everyone's very happy to be here, and we're very happy to be here. We've got lots of new products people have never seen before to show and talk about, and yeah, it's just the show has a good feeling to it. Yeah, we do have some new products. So we have our vintage 15 product. You can't see it. I can point.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is the first time we produced a 15-inch isoflare drive unit. It's the flagship of the vintage range of products. So the vintage is a series of two different types. This is the vintage sort of modern style vintage, and we've also got a classic style vintage, which is this product over here. So this style here. This is a more retro style. This one over here, and this one is a more modern, but still vintage style. So this one we're going to be playing at the show for everyone to come and listen to say it's the first time you've done a 15-inch drive unit. It took us almost a year to develop the 15-inch drive unit. It works fantastically well now. So yeah, it's got a really good scale. The big drive unit gives a very, very big scale to the sound, but you still have all the detail, natural sound, and a big dynamic range on the product. So yeah, very, very happy and very looking forward to playing this to everybody. Yeah. So this is the vintage one. We also have a baby version over here, a 5-inch version over there. So it's a miniature version of the same product. So yeah. The F1 range was the first range we developed 6 years ago, and we've slowly been adding products. There was a 10-inch to start with, then we did a bigger version, a 12-inch, then we produced an 8-inch sort of stand mount product. And a lot of customers were asking for an 8-inch floor standing product. So it's exactly the same drive unit that's in the 8-inch stand mount. It's been out for almost 2 years now, but we've made it into a floor stand, added all the controls we had on the other series. So it's got all the dynamics and the sound of the 8-inch. It's got a little bit more low end extension on it, but it still has all the tightness of the bass as well. So it's a very new product, and we're going to be playing this one at the show as well. Yeah, well, we've had the 700 range for about over 3 years now, and what we've done with this is we've called it an SP, which means we've added muscle, we've added power to it. It's got all the drive units from the F range, the F1 range. So this is the same drive unit from the F110. It's got all the crossover mechanism from the F1. We're using all the cryogenic treatment. We've got our own cryogenic facility in our factory, so we can cool things down to minus 170. So it's got full cryogenic treatment, and it's got the same plinth. And it's got all the elements of the F1 range are in this, but it's in a 700 cabinet. And we're doing two versions. We're doing the 10-inch version and we're doing the 12-inch version. So this model this actual finish will be available in November, I think. The black and the white will be available in September, end of September. So we're not quite ready yet, but it's the first time this has been shown anywhere in Asia. Anywhere in Asia, it's the first time. This is certainly first time in Hong Kong, but anywhere. We showed another version of this at the Munich show, but not this finish. So so this is very new. Very new.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much, Shinji.
My pleasure. My pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.